Hello students, now exercise 2.3 question number 6 now. In question number 6 they are given that two interviews given the following score of the two candidates on the base of their performance in interview of X and interview of Y. So X and Y is given here. You have to find your rank correlations. Okay, you have to find your rank correlations. So X and Y. So put the value of your X, that is 28 and 44, 10, 28, 47, 35, 19 and 40 is given here. Okay, now Y, that is 32, 45, 25, 32, 41, 32, 24 and 38. Okay, so now here next you have to find here, that is Rx and Ry. So here for highest value, that is 47. Okay, I think so. Okay, so 47 is the highest value, so given rank 1, and then 40s there are two other value, that is 44 and 40. Okay, the second rank and third rank. So this is finished now. Now in 30s there is only one value, that is 35, so put there 4 rank. After that in 30s there is no value. Now in 20s 28, 28 and 19 and 10. Okay, remaining value. Okay, so third rank is already given, so now this 28 4th and here 28 5. Okay, so we can't write it here 4 and 5 because both the values same, so give the equal importance. So rank is 4 and 5, so method is that 4 plus 5 divided by 2, so 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5. Okay, so here fourth rank is already given here. Now fifth and sixth. Okay, so 5 and 6, that is 11 by 2, that is 5.5. Okay, so value is 5.5. Here is fifth rank, here is sixth rank. Okay, so if we go here fifth and here if we go here 6, so he says that I am also 28, so why give me 6? Okay, give me 5. So we are giving equal importance to both the persons. So 28 is a fifth rank, 28 is a sixth rank. So formula is that 5 plus 6, that is 11 by 2, that is 5.5. So equal importance given to both the persons, that is 5.5, and here 5.5. So 5 and 6 is incomplete. Now go for seventh rank, that is 19 and 10 for 8. Okay, so there are 8 candidates only. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have to find here Ry. Okay, rank of Y. So here in 40s there are 1 value and 2 value. Okay, so 45 and 41, so first rank and second rank. Okay, now in 40s there is only 2 value. In 30s 1, 32, 32, 32 and here 38 is here. Okay, so third value is here, and after 38 value is 32 for 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So after 3 value is 4, 5 and 6. So 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 5 plus 6 11 plus 4, 15 divided by 3, because 3 value is there. So 3 5 is 15, answer is 5. So 5 giving importance here 5, here 32 is here, so 5, and here is 32, here is 5. Okay, here is 25. Okay, so 4 5 6 complete. Now go for seventh value, that is 25, so give a 7th here rank, and 24, that is 8th rank. Okay, now find the value of D, difference of Rx and Ry. So 5.5 minus 5, that is 0.5, 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 7 1, 5.5 minus 5, that is 0.5, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 3 minus 3 0. Here answer should be 0. Okay, if it not coming, so there is some mistake. Okay, so here minus 3, put first of all minus 3, then 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so minus 3 plus 3 value is 0. So now D square 0.5, that is 0.5 into 5 and 5, that is 0.25. Here is 1, 0.25, 1 1 1 0. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, so 5.5 is the answer. Okay, Now find the value of R. but before that you have to find the value of CF, okay, because here two values repeated here. So repeated numbers, otherwise observation, and in repeated observations is here, that is a 28 two times, so 28 for 2 times, and here 32 for 3 times, so here value is m. Now here formula is m cube minus m divided by 12, okay. So here m cube means m is for 2, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 minus 2 divided by 12, so 6 divided by 12, that is 0.5, okay. And here 3 is a 9, 27 minus 3 divided by 12, so that is 24 divided by 12, so value is 12 to the 24, value is 2, so total is 2.5 value of CF, okay, value of CF, okay, that is a 2.5. Now put the formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square divided by n square minus 1, okay. So your 1 minus 6 into sigma d square, that is a plus CF, okay, plus CF is left here. So value is here, that is a sigma d square 5.5 plus 2.5, that is the value of CF, okay, divided by 8, so 8 square minus 1, okay. So 1 minus here, first of all 5.5 plus 2.5, that is 8, okay. So 8 into 6, 8 6 are 48. Now here 8 is 64 minus 1, 63. So 63 into 8, value is 504, okay. Now here 1 minus 48 divided by 504, 48 divided by 504, value is 0.0952, so minus 1, value is 0.90, okay. So value answer of 6 is 0.90. Now we go for sum number 7. In sum number 7, the 10 contestants are ranked in a beauty contest by 2 judges, and the sum of the square of differences in the rank is found to be 214. Find the rank correlation. Now here sigma d square is given only. You have to find here value of r, and here n is given, that is 10, okay. So now question number 7 now, that is n is equal to 10. Sigma d square is given, that is a 214. Find the value of r. So r is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square divided by n square minus 1, okay. So 1 minus 6 into sigma d square 214, n is 10, so 10 is 100 minus 1 99, 99 into 10 is 990, okay. So now here 1 minus that is a 6 into 214 is equal to 1284 divided by 990. So your value is, that is a 1 minus 1.29696, so minus 1. So value is, that is a minus 0.29696, so it means 0.3 is the minus 0.3 is the answer, okay. So now question number 7 is finished. Now we go for question number 8 now. So here question number 8, the coefficient of rank correlations of the rank of 10 by 10 students. So here n is equal to 10, so put the value here, n is equal to 10. Now here given, that is a next in 2 particular subjects was found to be 0.5, so r is 0.5. Later on it was found that one of the difference of the rank is student was 7, but it was taken as 3, okay. So here r is given and r value is 0.5, and here d square, in d square there is one mistake. that is 7 is right value and 3 is wrong value. Okay, taken as 3, that is 3 is wrong value, 7 is correct value. Now find sigma d square. Correct, you have to find first of all correct sigma d square. After that you have to find correct r. Okay, so this 0.5 is a wrong r. Okay, because why wrong? Because one value is by mistake is taken 3 instead of 7. Okay, so here first of all you find here sigma d square. So r is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Okay, now r value is given 0.5. Okay, minus is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square value is given. Sigma d square value is not given, you have to find here, sorry. So d square is now n value is given, that is 10. Now here 10 times 100, 100 minus 1, 99, 99 into 10, that is 990. Okay, so now this 1 is come outside, so here 0.5 minus 1 is equal to minus 6 into sigma d square upon 990. Okay, now 0.5 minus 1, that is a minus 0.5 is value. Now here value is minus. Okay, so 6 into this 990. Now 990 divided by 6, so value is 165. So value is 165. Okay, so here that is a sigma d square upon 165. Okay, so now here cross multiply the value here, 165 into 0.5. Okay, into, now here is minus, here is minus, minus will be minus will be plus. Okay, into 0.5, value is 82.5 is equal to sigma d square. Okay, now minus will be plus, therefore sigma d square is equal to 82.5. Now this is 82.5 is the wrong value of sigma d square. You have to find correct value of sigma d square, and after that you have to find value of r. Okay, so now here sigma d square is equal to 82.5. Now here 7 is correct, so plus 7 square and 3 is wrong. Okay, so minus 3 square. जो गलत है उसको निकाल दो, जो सही है उसको प्लस कर दो. Okay, so 82.5, 7 7 are 49 and minus 9. Okay, now here 82.5 plus 49, then minus 9. So here value is 122.5. Now find the correct value of r. Okay, so r is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Okay, so 6 into sigma d square value is 122.5. Now here that is 10, so 990 is here value. So 6 into 6, so value is 735. 735 divided by 990, so divided by 990, value is here, that is a 1 minus 0.7424, so minus 1, value is 0.2575, so value is 0.26. So 0.26 is the final answer. Okay, thanks a lot. So here 8th sum is finished. Now exercise 2.3 is finished now. Okay, thanks a lot.